Hey everyone, in this video, let's do an overview of Sintra AI and a walkthrough so that you can build your business. In order to do so, here we are logged in at app.sintra.ai. And as you can see on our homepage here, first thing you're going to find is you're going to find all of your employees ready to go. And each one of them you can click on and you're going to find a similar interface. So we'll just click on Buddy here. And what you'll see is you have your chats on the left-hand side. You can look at your highlighted power-ups, but if you click on See All, then this is going to bring you to your power-ups page where you can see each of the power-ups that are for your individual AI helpers. Also, we have the settings icon up at the top, and so you can modify how it is that your AI employee responds to you. Also from here, if we head back to the home page, I just want to bring attention to the main page here. If you're not sure where to get started, you just want to start asking some questions and get going, then you can go ahead and just type in what's on your mind today and just start going with that. You also have 12 new ideas. You have new ideas that are generated on a regular basis. And if you click on that, then you'll see that you can click through all of the different ideas. And the more that Sintra gets to know you, the more that it will provide tailored suggestions, tailored ideas to your business. And there is some amazing stuff in here. One thing that's important to note is when it comes to Sintra, there is so much helpful content. You don't have to take advantage of all of it. It really is up to you to kind of sift through the information and decide what it is that really stands out to you as being essential for integration. But you can find some amazing ideas on a regular basis, and that's just great for brainstorming and considering things that you might not otherwise. We also have our questions. So if we click on here, this is going to bring us into our Brain AI section, and at the bottom, you can answer guided questions. So here you can see that we have a variety of questions that we can go through, and you can answer them at your leisure. And the more that you offer specific answers to the questions, the more that Sintra is able to offer specific answers back to you. So since we're in Brain AI, that's a good time to point this out. So Brain AI can be found. So if you're on the home page here, you can just click on this brain over here on the left-hand side. And this is going to bring you to your Brain AI section where you have your integrations, and you have a variety of integrations here that you can take advantage of. And then from here, if you scroll down, you'll have your snippets section. And this is where, as Sintra gets to know you, it will take note of the information that you're providing, and it will fill up this snippets section. So that way it can continue to offer personalized insights. You can also add your website. So you can put in your website for your main channel, your main website. In this case, we have our YouTube channel here. And so Sintra is able to go into our YouTube channel and pull from that. So that is very helpful. Whatever your business is, just by entering this in, this can really help to provide Sintra information so that it can provide those personalized insights. You can also add files. So as you are speaking with Sintra, let's just go ahead and head over here to Buddy. And you can see here that we have our attach icon. So click here and you can attach files. So this is a good way of if you're working on some stuff on the side and you want to make sure that Sintra is aware of that, then you can attach those files, and then that is going to show up here in your files section. So that kind of gives you an idea of the different options here. Let's just do a quick look here at the power-ups. You can see for yourself, these are the individual power-ups for each of our AI employees, and there is just some fantastic stuff here. So you can go through this at your leisure. Check out our Sintra playlist, and you can get an in-depth view on each of the employees and what they offer. But there is so much value here, and you could spend hours going through and just getting to know Sintra, having Sintra getting to know you, and being able to offer those invaluable insights. We also have the chat history option here, so you could see that we just have a list of all of the chats that we've had, and each of these can be found as well in your employee. You've got your history here as well, but it's all in your chat history here. So it's a good idea to, if you see these little 3 dots here, to rename your chats. If there's something specific that really stands out to you, it's a good idea to rename those chats, so that way you can always find them and everything is nicely organized. So that gives you a basic idea of how you can go through Sintra and find everything where everything is. It gives you an idea of what you can expect with Sintra AI. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you check in the description for this video, you will find a link to our link tree, and there you will find our top AI tool recommendations, also information on our upcoming webinars. And here you can use discount code Skillcraft60. If you just click on the link and get started with Sintra, enter in Skillcraft60 to get 60% off your subscription. And I guarantee you won't regret it. Sintra is such an amazing tool. We've also got Cider and EnzoBot. Take a look at those as well. Cider is a fantastic tool that integrates directly into your Chrome browser, so you can ask questions of AI at any time. It's an amazing tool. I love it. So these are our recommendations. EnzoBot as well. There is just so much value here to take advantage of. Take a look at that as well. And if you click on these links, you'll be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.